I am doing a bunch of reviews today. So this is a pea snack. It's from the company called Human Nature. This is their Smokey barbecue pea flavored snack, or pea snack. Smoky barbecue flavor pea snack. This has 136 calories per serving, 3 servings per container. 2% sugar, so 1.8 grams of sugar. 0 cholesterol. 240 milligrams of sodium. Let's see if we can get the bag open. I will look and see if I can find a link. If I can, I will link them below. We're having a beautiful day here, so we've got the door open, as you can hear the... Ooh! Okay. Definitely got that sweet barbecue smell right off the bat. It smells paprika. Yeah. This is good. This is very, very good. You definitely get, though, that it's going to be like that sweet barbecue rather than just, you know, and I mean, you get the smoky. Don't get me wrong, it has definitely got smoky, but maybe it's the smoky that brings out the sweet. But definitely when I dive in, I'm first getting, my first initial scent is sweet, then it goes smoky. But that first scent, it was a sweet one. Alright, it's a cute little rings. I hope these are spicy. Okay. Alright, Human Nature. Now see, they have a pepper here in this photo. Which, yeah, the roof of my mouth is a little bit tingly. You definitely get the smoky flavor. It's smoky, smoky, smoky. Finishes with a little bit of sweet. And then the very end has that little bit of a heat. So there's got to be a pepper in here. It's got kind of a sweet heat at the very end. But the heat is so tampered down that I think the average person's probably not going to think that there's any heat much at all. But I could see this being something I couldn't eat very many of because it definitely would build. Texture wise, they're very, very, very light, very fluffy. Very aerated. If for whatever reason you weren't able to chew, these would dissolve down in your mouth easily. Yeah. Crispy, light, fluffy, airy. Tasty. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these. I would get these again. Ooh, that heat does build up a little bit for me. Whew. Okay. Let me know if you've ever had these before. Oh my. And if you haven't, does it sound like a snack you would enjoy? Do you like the puffed snacks? Very good texture, very good flavor. And I will link them below for you to clickety-click if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.